Well, it looks like we are in for a wonderful stretch of weather. Get outside, enjoy yourself, and one place to go that you're going to have a lot of fun, Castle in the Clouds in Moultonboro. Charles Clark with us this morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. So it must be a pretty busy time for you.
Pretty busy time. You know, one of the most beautiful places to see the fall foliage anywhere in New Hampshire. We have great hiking trails, the historic mansion that we do tours of, and lots of programming even throughout the fall. So it's a great place to come if you're on vacation here.
And how long will you be open?
1 week to go from today. So we'll close down for the regular season on October 24th. And then we immediately shift gears into actually decorating the castle for the holidays. We have our Christmas at the Castle event, which is in late November, the weekend before and the weekend after Thanksgiving. And tickets for that go on sale this Tuesday.
Nice to know. And even though sort of the mansion's closed, people could still go sort of and enjoy the hiking trail.
Right, absolutely, yeah. So the castle sits on about 5,000 acres of conserved land, 30 miles of hiking trails, waterfalls, again, beautiful views, the foliage. It's a great place to come and have some outdoor recreation, enjoy the beauty of New Hampshire.
Now, in October, you have had, you do have sort of these graveyard tours.
Yeah.
And the good news, I guess, from your perspective is that they're sold out.
That's right.
But granted, we know Halloween is coming and people enjoy sort of the spookiness of it.
Right.
But what's some of the, sort of the historical stuff that people would see in
absolutely. So so the castle sits on land that before the person who built the castle, Thomas Plant, moved there was actually a settlement, a mountain settlement community. And there are several graveyards that have the families, members of the families that were a part of that settlement. So, you go on a tour with one of our trained guides and you get to see these really old, several hundred years old in some cases, tombstones, hear a little bit about the settlement and the people who were living in this area even before Thomas Plant came and built the castle.
And can people even explore those cemeteries even without a tour? Or?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, there's you don't get quite the same context.
Sure.
It's most of the hiking trails go past at least one of the cemeteries, so you get a chance to see a little bit of the history, even if you're just there for a hike.
And you were saying that come November you sort of shift gears toward the holiday season.
That's right.
So can you give us an idea of what the event will be like?
Sure, absolutely. So it's actually one of my favorite things we do every year. So we invite local businesses to come in and they each take a room of the mansion and decorate it around a theme. This year's theme is Holiday Carols. So each room will be themed around a carol, whatever the business chooses. And then, the main event is, people come, they buy their ticket, they get to take that tour, but we have a lot of extra things to go along with that. So there's an artisan fair, local craftspeople will have their items for sale. That way you can get a jump start on your holiday shopping. Our restaurant will be serving kind of hearty, family-friendly food to enjoy while you're there. And most years we get, a little dusting of snow, so it adds to the fun. But it's a great time. This year, because of the pandemic, we actually are doing pre-sale tickets only, so it's really important people buy their tickets in advance. But there are plenty of tickets for everyone, and like I said, they go on sale to the public this coming Tuesday.
Nice. And now you mentioned that there's going to be a carol theme, and so I'd be remiss if I didn't ask. You had a concert. You had some concerts at Castle in the Clouds. Did very well.
Yeah.
Might we see something next year?
Yeah, absolutely. So this year was the first year of our Concerts in the Clouds series with our partners Great Waters. They have been around for 25 years, bringing great music to the Lakes region, and now we've provided a beautiful venue for them on our property. This year's concert series was great. I've seen a sneak preview of next year's lineup, and it's going to be even better. So you can check the Castle's website or greatwaters.org to see more information as that gets published.
And anything else you'd like to get across?
Well, I think the other thing, year end for us as a nonprofit, it's always a time when we're thinking about our fundraising and year-end appeal. So if you're thinking about how you can give back at the end of the year, think about the Castle. It's a great place. It provides a really wonderful community experience and a great thing to display the beauty and wonder of New Hampshire to all the visitors that come from out of state.
And the website is?
www.castleintheclouds.org.
Charles Clark, thank you very much for stopping
so
by
much.
and get thee to the castle.